Hi dears, in this video we will learn about speak cells. What are speak cells and where they used? Speak cells are found in quick access toolbar, that is quick access toolbar. No, there is no any option of speak cells is there. How we find speak cells? Let's consider on file option. In file option we can find options. Yes, this is options. In options you should choose quick access toolbar. I am choosing it, quick access toolbar. In this quick access toolbar we should scroll popular commands text box to all commands. Sorry, now I am scrolling down this scroll bar to find speak cells option. Speak cell, where are speak cells? Come on. I think there is speak cells. These are 5 options of speak cells. I am shifting these options one by one to quick access toolbar. Speak cells, stop speaking cells, speak cells by columns, speak cells by rows, speak cells on enter. These 5 options have been entered in quick access toolbar. I am pressing OK. Now there you can see that these 5 options are there. Now consider that how these 5 options may used. First of all, I choose cell L2 and I am writing something here. Suppose I am writing there Pakistan. I have right there Pakistan, and now I am going to use speak cell.
Pakistan.
Do you listen?
Pakistan.
What it is saying?
Pakistan.
Yes, that's good. This was reaction of speak cell when there is no any other values surrounding the cell where I have written Pakistan. Now what happened when I use speak cell option in the table where surrounding cells are also filled? Let's say I click on cell F2 and I press speak cells.
Name. Price in Pak rupees. Price in US dollars. Flash drive. 1,500 rupees. $10. Speakers. 3,000 rupees. $20.
Now I am stopping it. You have seen that this table is speaking. This table is speaking. Yes, this table is speaking, and this is speaking horizontally. Every cell content is read by Microsoft Excel. Now I want to speak cells vertically. I want to listen speak cells vertically. If I want to listen speak cell vertically, then I should have to choose speak cells by column. Yes, I have chosen speak cells by column. Now when I press the speak cells, let's see what happened.
Name. Flash drive. Speakers. Microphone. Hands-free. Camera. Price in Pak rupees. 1,500 rupees. 3,000 rupees. 750 rupees. 1,000.
Okay, I think that is sufficient for your understanding. It is often seen that this option remains hidden from majority of users. They don't know about this option. This option is very useful for blinds, and if you want to tally something written in soft copy with hard copy, then this option is very useful. I hope you would enjoy this lecture. If you have any comments or criticism, please mention in your comments. I will be highly obliged for you. Thank you for viewing my lecture.